Hi everyone, this is Terence, the Impossible Investor. Alright, I'm going to cover the market updates and a little bit of insights to investing over here for the 23rd of May. Alright, so today it's Thursday over here for the week. Alright, we are one day away from expiry Friday. Alright, but today it's really all about how do we trade this markets over here. Yeah, all right, markets has been really difficult for most people out there. All right, most people don't know when to get in, when to get out. All right, it's, you know, kind of like anybody's market over here. All right, today it's up, tomorrow it's down. Nobody knows exactly where the hell it's gonna go next. Yeah, all right, there's too much news at play, there's too much binary events at play. Nobody's in a position for too long right now, and nobody really knows what they want to do as well. Now, but impossible investors are trained to handle these situations over here, right? Simply because we work only with a very narrow selected basket of stocks that we get familiar with. All right, the longer we do what we do, all right, and we get more and more comfortable with our stocks over here. All right, so I did a video about 2 days ago, all right, and mentioned that one of the stocks that I will be looking to trade over here is really Qualcomm, all right, which is one of the technology giants. Now, a lot of people do not know just exactly how good a company Qualcomm actually is. Right now, yes, Qualcomm are subjected to a lot of lawsuits over the years, right? But being subjected to lawsuits isn't really a bad thing after all when it comes to a business. Right now, why do I say that? Yeah, right. A lot of people can't understand this. Yeah, lawsuits are bad, Terence. Yeah, right. But in our context over here, lawsuit just simply means it represents the position of, you know, the business that the company has already established for themselves. If they are open, especially to lawsuits based on antitrust over here, that literally means the company is operating almost at near monopoly levels. Yeah, all right. Imagine this. You are selling a particular product over there, all right, or you're operating in a particular business sector, all right, and you're already near monopoly in whatever you're operating in. Yeah, all right, that just means, you know, trying to make money is never a problem for you. Yeah, all right, whatever you're doing right now, making money is not a problem. Right, and that's why the governments are coming after you, because no one single company is allowed to operate as a monopoly, just to be fair to all players involved and also their customers. Yeah, all right, okay. Now, so Qualcomm is definitely one of the trades that we want over here right now. So let's take a quick look at the stock market in general over here, and then we'll pop over to Qualcomm, which is a stock that we established some trades on yesterday. All right, now, so if you look at the charts that I have on the screen over here, this is just the S&P 500, right? And particularly narrowing it down to just the last 5 days, so we can see the movement of, you know, the S&P over the last 5 days. Yes, it went up, it came all the way down, it went up, all right, but it literally just sat nowhere. Right now the market closed almost the same point as where it opened last Friday over here. So it's kind of like a non-mover over here. Right, so going into the technology index, right, I'm just going to use the QQQ ETF over here to represent the NASDAQ. Yeah, all right, so over the last 5 days over here, if you just pay attention to the white spots over here, these are during the market trading hours. Yeah, all right, the gray spots are pre-market and post-market trading hours over here. Right now, so we have pretty much the same situation where, you know, the NASDAQ over here, yeah, all right, has fallen. NASDAQ has actually fallen. Yeah, all right, yes, technology sector has fallen the hardest over here over this week itself. All right, and that's why it's presented a lot of opportunities for tech companies. So if you're familiar with what to look out for when going into the tech sector, yeah, all right, there are a lot of good bargains, short-term bargains out there for you to hunt down right now. Yeah, all right, okay, now, so this is the technology index, or QQQ over here right now. So heading down to individual stocks. So one thing we did over here was Qualcomm. Right, so I mentioned earlier about 2 days ago, right, Qualcomm has fallen with the technology sector. I'll be looking for something to trade on. Yeah, all right, but market went up the next day over here, so I didn't want to establish a trade on, you know, up move over here. So who knows, voila, right, an antitrust law came up right after Huawei's incident, all right, which has already affected the company earlier in the week. Yeah, all right, this presented all of us a great opportunity over here, right, as we see Qualcomm dropped over $10 in a single day over here. Yeah, all right, now, so as it opened and it continued to sell off over here to the bottom of about $68 over here, this is where we actually started to position ourselves and sold some put options on this stock over here. Yeah, all right, just you know, the idea of Terence, but you know, it's a falling knife over here. How can you go out there and catch that falling knife? It's a really risky thing to do. Yeah, right now, if you don't know what you're doing in the stock market, anything you do is risky. But if you know exactly what you're looking out for over here, right, everything is within control. Everything is, you know, controlled by your measures that you set, all right, inside your strategy that you build up over here. All right, so we are very clear in terms of how we build our strategy over here. All right, we define our risk over here. We know what we're looking at, right? And we're gunning after those returns that are provided to us in a very short-term basis. Right now, so if you go over to my Instagram over here, right, you'll find out that I've posted 2 posts on trades that we have taken out on Qualcomm yesterday. All right, a short one which expires this Friday, all right, and also a longer term one which expires at next month's June expiration options over here. Right, so 2 different style trades with 2 different risk appetites and risk levels over here. Yeah, all right, but both great returns, all right, on a great company that I've always liked for a really, really long time right now. Okay, just in case you don't know. Sorry about that. Just in case you don't know, they earn royalties from every iPhone that's sold out there since iPhone has begun selling their phones. Yeah, right. So they made tons of money on iPhones over here, while iPhones are the ones spending money on marketing, money on developing over here. They're just sitting back and collecting all these royalties, right, as each iPhones are being sold out there in the markets, and there's still tons being sold every single day around this world that we live in today. Yeah, all right, okay, just think about that. How much money is there? Yeah, okay, all right. Now, so this is definitely a trade that we have on over here. We have some expiries that are due for this Friday itself. Let's see how our Impossible Investors communities are going to do, all right, with these trades over here. I'll update them after expiration Friday. Stay tuned, all right, if you want to catch an update on the trades that we have won or the trades that we have taken over here on a live ongoing basis. Do follow my Instagram over here, all right, and yes, I will see you in my next market updates over here for tomorrow. All right, just how the are we going to trade this market? Let the market decide. Define your strategy, know exactly what you want over here, all right, and go out there and create your gains. Money isn't working if money is not being used. Yeah, all right, simple as that. Okay, now I hope that make a lot of sense for you over here. All right, if not, do try to find out how to make yourself an impossible investor. All right, join us in our community and we can help you do that. Okay, now, meanwhile, this is Terence, the Impossible Investor, signing off for today's session over here. All right, stay safe, stay sane, stay impossible, everyone. All right, see you in my next video.